Hi, I'm Dr. Christine Dunkley and I will be coming to Malta in November to do a one-day workshop called Regulating Emotion the DBT Way, based on my book of the same name. I've been invited to speak to you by Willingness Malta. And in this workshop, I will be explaining how you can coach your clients to get more of an emotion if they need it, or less of an emotion if they need it, in order that the amount of emotion they have roughly matches the facts of the situation they're in. It's in order that they can be effective in any given situation without getting too much anger or sadness or shame or guilt, or not enough emotion to really get their point across. Many clients who come to us regulate their emotion in very dysfunctional ways. They may harm themselves, they may be suicidal, they may drink, they may restrict their food intake, they may have binge eating. Many of the things we treat are to do with clients not being able to get away from a painful emotion. This skill is universally desired, and if you come along to the workshop, I'll be giving you very practical advice that you can use with your client even the day after you've done the workshop. It doesn't matter if you have no experience of DBT. It doesn't matter if you have a professional qualification or if you work with clients who have emotion regulation difficulties in another capacity. If you work with people who have emotions that are too intense or not enough emotion because they're really numb, then this is going to be useful to you. I'm so looking forward to coming to Malta. It's the most beautiful country and I'm sure we'll have lots of fun and you will take away lots of advice and tips on how to help your clients. I hope you can join me in November, 8th of November in Malta. Looking forward to seeing you there.